So I committed to going to a car show at the local Harley dealer this weekend, and just dawned on me a few minutes ago that this old girl hasn't run in quite a few months. So here's hoping fuel injection's still good. Here's hoping battery's still got juice, and we need to get this thing washed up and kind of ready to go. It's kind of gross, although it's not as dusty as it normally is. I've kept the garage closed, and the bed's not full of junk, which seems to always collect basketballs and golf balls and all the other crap. But definitely need to get out of the garage, obviously put the battery charger on it. I'm sure the battery's dead, but we will see here in a few minutes, see what it takes to get this whole thing cleaned up before a show on Saturday morning. All right, here we go. So got everything moved except for my wife just came home, and I got a little helper now. Here she comes. You say hi, Lou? Hi. There we go. All right, so let's take a. I'm taking some video. All right, so let's see what we got. So let's get this out of here. Hey, look at that.
What is it?
There's a leaf.
Oh my God.
Yeah, God, it tells you how long it's been. You got a stocking cap in here. All right, let's see how much juice this thing is. Hopefully I don't have to put it on the charger, but we never know. All right, we got fuel pump on. Give this a second. That right there is why I love the Holley Sniper EFI kit. Man, this thing sat for months and turned over in what, 2-3 seconds? You can't beat that. Absolutely perfect. All right, let's get this thing pulled out of the garage. All right, sweetie, you want to hop on in? Not 100% sure where I've gotten oil dripping on the little handle you use to close the front vent or the cow vent, but there's oil on it. Just have to figure that out. There you go. Come on. Here, you take it. Go on. No, go around this way. Right, get the front. Okay.
That's getting. Get the light.
Good. I gotta figure out where this oil's coming from. So what I have figured out, there's oil running on this rod. So this lever that opens up that cow vent. And apparently it's leaking directly out of the electric windshield wiper motor. So, not a big deal. Obviously I don't drive it in the rain much, but they no longer work. So, not 100% sure what happened, but obviously leaking a little bit of oil. And then, looks like after a few months sitting, having some issues with my turn signal. So I don't know if I've had a bulb go out. Oh, well, now it works. Never mind. Well, I like it when problems fix themselves. All right, well, I'm gonna get all this crap out of the inside, which looks like it's just the battery charger. Get the seat belts back where they go, wipe down the seat, and put it in the garage, and we'll be ready for Saturday. Alright, so outside's washed, inside's wiped out, just wiped the seat off, got the crap out of here, wiped the dash off. So this old girl cleans up pretty good. Obviously we don't drive it every day and it stays in here, so. Oh, look at that. It still works. Man, it's awesome when you come out here. It's like playing with everything again. What do we got in here? There's something in here. Oh, some old prop. Old matchbook from the Thunderbird Motel and Restaurant. That little place. I guess it was a local to Jackson at one point. Got all the car show flyers, all the junk. Oh, hey, look. My favorite thing. It's my touch-up pen. Black Sharpie on a Mac car. Works wonders. Alright, last but not least, we'll pop the hood real quick and just see what we got. Usually does a pretty good job of not getting dusty in there. There's a little bit on top of the motor. So let me grab my rag, or actually just the towel. Over here. And easy peasy. Let the dust off the top. A little bit of water in here, we'll wipe that off as well. As you guys can see, this is not a Barrett Jackson restoration, 10 out of 10, whatever you want to call it, grade A. This is just 100% American badass. Big, small block 350, really loud. Obviously homemade built, hand built, whatever. Done with all the stuff I can afford. I'm a one-man show that's as broke as everybody else. But with a little hard work and some redneck engineering, you can have a pretty cool old truck. So, all right, I guess that wraps it up. I guess we'll pick back up on Saturday as we take it to the show, and hopefully we'll find some cool stuff to show you. Maybe we'll come home with an award. Maybe we won't. Don't really care as long as we have a good time. But until Saturday morning, we'll pick it back up.